Did you know that using coconut oil is one of the best products to use on your hair before you get into pool water or water at the beach? It helps protect it from the chemicals that are used in the pool and the salt water at the beach. So this have always been my go-to coconut oil. And for any of you who have watched any of my videos know that I use it to help keep my hair moisturized. And I just wanted to share that with you because I do get into the pool a lot and it has worked for me for years. Okay, you guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, I am out of the pool, but now I'm about to shampoo and conditioner my hair. But before that, today I'm going to use the Maison 276 products. And this is the first product in the 3-set product line. And this is the clarifying. So I just put that on my hair. And I'm using this to help brighten my hair. You know, sometimes the light color hair get a little brassy. Well, this is to clarify, okay? And it's a pre-treatment. You put it on first, and then you let it just sit there 3 to about 5 minutes. And then I will go on to the second step, which will be the shampoo. All right, I just finished my shampooing and my conditioning with the Maison 276 shampoo and hydrating shampoo and conditioner. There was a choice to either leave the conditioner in your hair or to rinse it out. So I went on and rinsed it out. So now I am going to finish blow dry, and I'll get back with you because I want you, look at this. Look how bright my silvers are. Yes, and my hair is soft. So anyway, I'll get back with you when I have finished. Bye-bye. See you in a bit. Okay. I'm going to twist these up. Just give me a little body. Okay, and I just do a little finger comb. All I did was after I got out of the pool and I pre-treated my hair with the Maison 276. Then I let that sit for about 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. Then I did the hydrating shampoo, and then conditioner. And I let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. I added my heat protection, and I blow dried my hair. And if you noticed, I just took it down because I had it twisted and pinned. And here goes. So what do you think? Wow, looks pretty cool, right?